Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a focused workspace. Open Clip Art Studio and start a new canvas with the size you need. Once done, import any reference images or pick a template so you have composition guidance. Make sure to set and name at least 3 layers: background, artwork, and text, so you can edit non-destructively. You'll save time later when isolating elements. Now select a primary brush and adjust opacity and size before placing your first strokes. You now refine the composition by blocking in shapes on a low-opacity sketch layer. This keeps proportions right. Next, switch to vector or pen tools to trace clean lines. Vector paths let you scale without quality loss. Once the lines are set, hide or lock the sketch layer and use fills, gradients, and layer groups to organize elements. Make sure to use layer masks for non-destructive corrections and adjust blending modes to achieve depth. Periodically zoom out to check overall balance. You finish by cleaning up. Tidy layers, name groups, and merge visible layers only when you're confident in the design. Once complete, export the right file type: PNG for transparency, SVG for scalable vector, or JPG for compressed web images, and set the DPI for final use. Make sure to save a layered source file so you can revisit edits. If you encounter export artifacts, check layer opacities, raster effects, and flatten just the offending layers before re-exporting to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.